So, basic electrical engineering. Basic electrical engineering. The chapter is DC circuits. DC circuits. Under DC circuits, the first part is series and parallel. So the first subtopic is series and parallel. So first let's understand. This is module number 1. What is Ohm's law? What is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that voltage across any material is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. So voltage across any material is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. So we say that V is directly proportional to R. We say V is directly proportional to I. Voltage is directly proportional to the current flowing. So V by I is equal to a constant, and this constant is nothing but R. V by I is equal to R, and this R is resistance. So Ohm's law states that the voltage across any material is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. So voltage is directly proportional to the current which is flowing through the voltage. This is the explanation for the Ohm's law. Next we will see resistors in series. So resistors in series. Suppose if this is the terminal A, this is R1, this is R2, this is R3, and then you have a terminal B over here. So we say that the resultant resistance between points A and B equal to Rs, which is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So the resultant resistance between the 2 points A and B is nothing but R1 plus R2 plus R3. Resultant. Next is resistor. In parallel. Resistor in parallel. Resistor in parallel is A terminal over here. Then this is like this. This is like this. This becomes R2. This becomes R1. This becomes R3, and this is terminal BE. So we say that the equivalent resistance between A and B equal to Rp, and 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So in the calculator we simply put it like this. What do we put it as? Rp inverse equal to R1 inverse plus R2 inverse plus R3 inverse. So we have to remember this, that we will write in the calculator the number inverse plus the number inverse plus the number inverse equal to, you get a number called as answer, and then you do answer inverse again equal to, you will get the final answer that I will be showing in the calculating thing. Okay, so this is there, the introduction about series and parallel.